Di Zi Gui, Standards for Students, a dance that combines traditional Chinese philosophy and Buddhism thoughts, was performed by local dancers at the ceremony of ancestor worship, attended by over 8,000 people during the Qingming Festival on April 5th. Qingming literally means pure and bright in Chinese, which has some Buddhism connotations.
喺個片段裏邊咧，我哋係揸咗一樣嘢，就係叫做燃燈其眾。燃燈其眾嘅咧，就係即係話我哋希望咧，通過呢個燈，燈係佛教裏邊一個比較其實指向光明嘅一種代表啦咁樣。咁通過呢個燈，然後咧，本來係一種和諧嘅氣氛底下，而產生咗對燈嘅一種物欲，產生咗矛盾。咁呢個矛盾嘅解決，最後咧係要平心靜落嚟咧。你通過學習《弟子規》咧，你會領略到人嘅和諧啦，同埋嘅相處之道啦，孝敬父母啦等等。喺舞蹈嘅編排裏邊，或者點樣可以能夠通過一個靜嘅感覺，去令到人哋領略到嗰種一個人去做人嘅根本啦，沉思落嚟會思考啦。